guys, it's Frankie here. Quite excited because I've just ordered my skeleton Halloween raincoat, and it's in this pack ready to be opened. So I'm going to do like an unboxing, or I should say in this case an unbagging of the raincoat. So I've got my tools with me. I have to make sure I don't like stab right through the bag and damage the raincoat. That would be a bit of a shame. So I think I'm going to get access through the top here. It's very lightweight. It comes, I think it's like a 3/4 length. Well, it's like a long jacket really. Oh, it looks so colourful. I'm going to wear it for Halloween, for a Halloween party. And I'll hopefully do some filming on the night as well, so you can see how it looks in context. Wow, the colours are so bright! Woohoo! Here, there. Right, it's very light. The black is pretty black. Look at that. What I should do, I'm going to intend to do, is the shower test. It's meant to be completely waterproof, so I think I will try it on top of my clothes in the shower, and if it doesn't work, my clothes are going to get wet. So on each side of the hood is a big skull. It's almost life-size actually, so when you see it from the side, it's going to look almost like a mask. We've got the lining is green, and I designed. I put my logo in different colours because I decided not to just use the regular colour logo, which was mauve, because it sort of spoiled the look of the garment. So I've actually made that black as well. And then I've got black pull cord in the hood, and the zip. Oh, it's lovely and smooth. And then of course we've got our Trick and Treat pockets. Okay, so now for the big try on. Well, big to me, probably not big to anyone else, but the grand, I don't know, fashion show in Frankie's living room. Right, so it's a very matte finish fabric, which I like, and it's just so lightweight, and on the inside it's got that more of a kind of waterproof feel. I love the hood so much, it's so roomy. So my plan for Halloween is to wear this with bright yellow, which will pick up the accent here. Very comfy. I got I think I got the extra large size, so I would normally be at 12, and I ordered a size 14 because I knew I wanted to put it on over bulky clothes, so I should be able to fit like a warm jumper under here. I really wanted the jacket to be something you could wear any time of year when it's not Halloween, so if you're quite a funky person and you quite like skeletons or something, this is a good jacket to wear. So I also did a version which only has the pattern on the hat, so the rest of the jacket's black. That's if you feel more comfortable wearing something less flashy, I guess. But if you want, with the other coat, the one that's plain black, it has the same hood, so you know, when you put the hood up you'd get the skull effect. So yeah, and then obviously if it's windy, you've got the drawstrings. It's not a noisy raincoat, it's just quite soft. Do a slow turn. It's like when you've got the hood up, you're in your own little world, and my voice is echoing around. Just do some close-ups of the jacket. It's literally smooth, but a photograph texture which gives different feel across different areas of the garment. See the finishing. the label. There's the eyelets are finished nicely on the where the thread comes out. Metal toggle. Generous overlapped seam. You can see that the size of that is quite big. Black pockets. It's in a soft, flexible fabric. Washing instructions. Yeah. 30 degrees. There's no steam, but you can give it a very low heat iron. When you wear this special fabric, it's breathable, so you shouldn't get clammy when you wear it. So I've rolled it up, and it's a little bit fatter than an umbrella, about the same length. So you could easily carry that in your bag in case it rains. So there are 2 different types of fabric that you can choose from when you order the raincoat. I actually chose the breathable waterproof, and I just demonstrated how you can fold up the jacket really small. So I think if you ordered the waterproof 70 grams per square metre, that's, you know, less than half the weight of that one. But this one won't be breathable. And you'll notice that there is a size guide on the garment. Please study that carefully, measure yourself, and allow for an extra large size if you want to wear bulky clothes underneath the jacket. It's a commitment to buy a garment from shimmyshim.com because it's going to be custom printed for you. I would highly recommend, if you want something for an occasion like Halloween, order well in advance. So I'm filming this video in October 22. I'm a year ahead, so you've got a whole year to order for Halloween 2023. Thanks for watching, guys. Links in the description of where to buy the jacket. I'll see you again soon. Bye.